Hello friends, welcome to Dream Canada. Today we'll talk about the latest Express Entry draw. So let's start the video. So let's talk about the highlights of the latest draw that has been conducted by CIC on May 13, 2020. They just announced about this draw today, that is on May 14, 2020. As expected, the draw was program specific, targeted mainly the people with provincial nomination. That means those candidates already have a 600 points apart from their human capital points due to the provincial nomination. CIC issued 529 invitation in this draw. And in this year 2020, CIC had issued 34,829 invitations. The cutoff score in this draw was 718 and the tiebreak rule was for March 19, 2020. The score seems to be high, as I told you earlier that these people with provincial nomination has an edge of nomination and they do have additional 600 points due to that nomination. Yeah, so in that sense this score is not so high. Additionally, I believe that the next draw is expected in few days, might be tomorrow or in the earlier next week, and this draw will definitely target the Canadian experienced class candidates with a cutoff score of around 450 and with an expected number of invitations of around 3,371. Uh, what is happening right now is like IRCC is following a pattern due to the current situations, and they are only inviting the inland candidates. That means the Canadian experienced class candidates and the provincial nomination program candidates. The federal skilled worker or FSW candidates need to wait for invitations for around 3 to 4 months. So here is a chart which shows the CRS score distribution in Express Entry pool as of May 12, 2020. This is the data which shows that there are more than 20,000 people with a score higher than 451. And as I already told that I really expect there would be larger draw in the third quarter of the year, which will be obviously the all program draws, and we can expect that there would be a decrease in the CRS cutoff for all program draws as well, and the score might be in the range of 450 instead of like the in the beginning of the year which was around 470. So there is a ray of hope for the federal skilled worker candidates as well. So thank you guys and good luck. Stay safe. Bye bye.